Alright, so this is me trying to show everybody what exactly I use for software to do the things I've done already. Um, as you can tell, I'm only recording in 4K, 30 frames per second, but the file size will actually be really small because of the way that I have it set up. So first things first, when I'm going to uh, change a video, I have to go to downloader and I have to select this after copying the URL, and then I have to get the actual sound clip from it. And after I get the sound clip from it, it's actually really super easy. I just go to FL Studio 9, which I've purchased both of those programs. So it came with Edison, which is Wave, and it's set to 16 bit when the actual file gets in there. So if I take an MP3 at 320 or 128, anywhere in that range, and I put it into here, what I end up doing is changing it from 16 to 32 bit, and then I save that file. So it's going to be like some really huge file size. But so for instance, it ends up going with a higher bitrate and WAV file instead of just like MP3, and then I downscale it back to what the original is. After I end up getting that file, then I like for instance, I go over to here to add audio track, and it's really super easy. So now I have the higher quality WAV file in there, but I'll downscale it. So this actually doesn't take very long, but the sad part is the MP4 at 2160p has to keep it at like a high data rate. Let me show you my settings really quick here. So the bit rate is actually going to go for a default with 10,000, even if you keep it at auto or if you select the lowest that it'll let you. I usually don't video compress, but that's also an option. So the only thing that I'm doing here is keeping everything the same in the original, except for changing it to 2160p and then having a WAV file that'll downscale back to whatever the original is. So let's see really quick here. So it says the original is actually 128 for audio, and it downscales really nice, especially if you have it at a higher resolution. So it'll keep the same frames per second. It'll increase the bit rate, the data rate by a shit ton though. Other than that, it's a really good way to get 4K out of old videos that were 1080p. It has a really nice sound to it and a really nice look to it. I use VLC. So VLC is actually a really good media player, and that's the one I use for watching 4K videos.